In this grammar lesson, we'll take a look at how we use the present simple tense when talking about daily routines. What is your normal daily routine? Your routine is your normal everyday activities, the things that you usually do on a normal school or work day. How to write about your simple daily routine. 1. Use the present simple tense. Forming the present simple tense is simple. We just use the basic form of the verb. I play. You work. They swim. Remember, if you use the third person singular, he or she or it, you need to add s to the verb. He plays. She jumps. It kicks. Example sentences with the simple present tense. I clean my teeth at 7. I go to sleep at 11. 2. Use adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, hardly ever, rarely, never. I always clean my teeth before I go to school. I sometimes have hot chocolates in the evening. Note, get up and wake up have different meanings. Wake up means to open your eyes, to be awake. Get up means to stand up and get out of bed. Midday and midnight have different meanings. Midday or noon, 12 in the day. Midnight, 12 at night. Example daily routine. Lisa is a student at university. This is her daily routine. I usually have breakfast at 7:30. I catch the bus to university at 8. I usually start studying at 8:30. I always have lunch at noon. I finish university at 4:15 in the afternoon. I sometimes go to the cinema with my friends in the evening. I usually have dinner with my family at about 7 in the evening. I never go to bed before 11 o'clock. I often go to bed at midnight.